One smart fellow, he felt smart. Two smart fellows, they felt smart. Three marshmallows.
Do not laugh. Funny face edition.
My tongue!
Do not naming babies after random famous people.
Graham Norton. It's so silly. Where did it go? Adele. Liam Neeson. Post Malone.
Name fake brands part
Someone
1.
asked me to do this. I'm crying. Fake brands. Cadcod. Have a brick of a cadcod. Dave. Beauty cream bomb. Dave. Nikki. Come on. Look at the cat. The puma's in a coma. I can't cope. Converse. Gun breast. Okay. Twat. Twat. I don't know where you're going, but I'm going far from pooping. It's quite far from pooping. Hey, Mr. Taxi Driver, please can you take me up backside? Can you take me up backside lane? Oh, God. Shit a ton. Oh, I'm going up backside lane and then shit a ton. Hey, ma'am, can you drop me off? Yeah, sure. Where you going? Bell End. I got Bell End. Please. Welcome to Muff. So if you go down lane, you'll see Newlands Farm, and if you carry on, you'll get to scratch your bottom. Cockadobby. Cockadobby. I'll just meet you there. Okay then, where at? Titty Ho. Just down Titty Ho. So if you take a right at this junction, you'll go down road. Whip my whopper gate. It's when I say it. Stop and then kick a poo. Go down the straight and you're heading towards divorce. drive. Never mind Niagara Falls. I would go to Pee Falls. This was highly demanded, and I'll probably offend people. Facebook names. I don't believe it. Mum, ram it in me ash hole. Imagine. Sorry, ram it. It's a very unfortunate name. Had enough. This is had enough. It's had enough. I've made Sheeran. No, you're not. Oh, you gave it away. I'm under your bed. I can't cope with the with the street signs that you guys have been sending me on Instagram. Here we go. Fingering whore. Welcome to Fingering whore. Poo poo. This way to poo poo. Jeez. Go away. Down this road is Knob End Locks. It's a dangerous sight. Condom. Won't you take me to Honey Town? Stop, heavy erection is going on. Got a dick. I can't. People are starting to understand my humour. Let's go. To change centimetres to metres, you take out centi. These kids are genius. Motivate your answer. Go answer, go. That's so good. Write a question using why. Why? I mean, it's not wrong. Bob has 36 candy bars. He eats 29. What does he have now? Diabetes. Bob has diabetes. I shouldn't laugh at that, should I? I should be laughing at this. What ended in 1896? 1895. Write 5 words you can spell. 5 words you can spell. Are you doing the Nutcracker this year? Yep, I'm auctioning. I'm auctioning kids tomorrow. Suctioning kids. Ridiculous autocat rectal birdseed. Wow, I'm sorry I asked. Love you so much, babe. Good night. My love for you is strong. I could buy you a casket if I could. Castle. I promise I meant castle. I love thunder so much. I know, me too. Except when it makes my dog bark. So usually only when I'm outside. My dad barks too. We have to confront him. I'm so sorry. I can imagine his manly vocal cords could cause much more commotion than a small dog. Thank you again for an amazing first date. Anytime. When's the second date? I can't wait to see those big beautiful nipples of yours. Can't wait to see those beautiful big nipples of yours. I'm going to try my hardest not to laugh. I haven't even started yet and I'm struggling. Right. I appreciate it. Did I ever send you that awesome picture I took of my dong? Your dong? Oh, Jesus Christ, dog. Are you hungry? Starving? I thought you might be. There's a huge surprise waiting for you in the kitchen. It's your favourite, love, Mum. I hope it's your ship. Hope it's, oh, for God's sake. I hope it's your ship, pussy. Oh my God. Don't read that. It was all... I meant pork. Ship pork. Oh, chicken vagina. Chicken vaginas sound good for dinner. No, not really. What would you rather have? Oh my God, chicken feet is what the F my phone. Definitely not chicken vaginas. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dead husband. Happy birthday to you. Thanks. I assume you meant dear. Fair. 3-day weekend. Woohoo! I know, right? My favourite part of Labour Day is the competitive horse sex. The competitive horse sex at my parents' house. What? Horseshoes? I'm fighting with Mike. Again. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it's bad, and I think it's it this time. He's just drove off with his mum's corpse. Her corpse? No, her camera. I did well there, I did well. Can't wait to see you, babe. Hurry up and get here. Woohoo, it's Friday. Screw the gym. I'm getting pregnant tonight. Go again. Title, account. I have. You have. She has. What is your favourite hue? Jackman. What is the strongest force in the world? Love. L-O-V-E, love. Name 6 animals which live specifically in the Arctic. 2 polar bears and 4 seals. Name the quadrilaterals. Bob, Sam, Teddyson, Kate and Harry. How would you make a marriage work? Tell your wife she looks pretty, even if she looks like a dump truck. Miranda can't see anything when she looks down at her microscope, can't even talk. Suggest one reason why. She is blind. I mean, it could be true. Go again. 2 + 2 is 4. I can do math. Quick maths. Quick maths. What do you think is the best solution to overpopulation? Support your argument with examples. The Hunger Games. Explain how you figured out how much milk they drank. Thinking. In your opinion, which location would be the most dangerous during a tornado? Explain your choice. It is always dangerous to circle a tornado. Describe what it means by forgetting. I can't remember. Do not touch this. It's been a while. You know where's lit for a night out, boys? The rank turd. Few shots in rank turd. I'm not sure who made this, but I don't think they understand that that is not a baboon. Baboons. This one's pretty relevant for me. Welcome to accident. Venus Road. I would like to go there. Heard Charles has been mooning down King's Butts. Right, kids, we're having a day out. We've got sandy balls. Rough road. Fasten bra straps. Remove dentures. You're going to get a titty slap and a denture in your eye. Sounds like a good day out, to be fair. And this is why I love doing them. Ignore my tongue. Had nice pop. Do not write your essay on this page. Your essay. The sass. Please colour. Danish flag. Swedish flag. Finnish flag. He's not wrong. All work and no play makes Jack happy. Don't bite the hand, Jack. Don't look a gift horse to me. When the cat's away, you will pay. People in glass houses are rich. If at first you don't succeed, try and try again. Don't count your chickens because they need privacy. Don't put all your eggs in there. It's all Greek language. It's all fun and games until Darth Vader comes. About how old is your grandfather? 50, 5, 500, dead. Harry, bring me a burger and fries. That's an order. Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. If you can't find the book you're looking for, then you're obviously in the wrong bookstore. Wrong fucking bookstore. Cool if I park here? Yeah, man, sure. When you didn't think you were going to see a bridge, but then you see one. Oh shit, a bridge. It's supposed to be church chicken. Chicken rude and unreasonable. You're a horrible driver. Me, walked in. That's a foot. That's a knee. A British bee, a US bee. Zebra, Zipanti. Kia? No Kia.
How do we laugh? We laugh politely. Ha ha ha.
Road signs are back. Let's go. Arlene fucks cats. I mean, whatever floats your boat, Arlene. Welcome to Wet Wang. You can wet your wang. No freaking way. Road closed here, 29th September for 3 nights. You remember 21st night of September. Caution, this sign has sharp edges. What gets me is who's going around caressing signs. Don't touch this one, lads. It's sharp. Are you going today? The future. To all the men out there that are loving this. So am I. This is so relatable, I can't even cope. Why did you try to kiss me at prom? I kind of was a little drunk. Did I do anything else weird? You called me an obese penguin. That actually sounds like me. Call me now. Call me. I'm trying. That's an oyster. Call me. That's an oyster. Dude, you were so drunk last night. No, I wasn't. Oh yeah, you called a taxi to take you home. So, I don't want to get a ticket for being drunk and driving. The party was at your house. Hey, can you pick me up? I'm too drunk. Oh, you don't have to anymore. I'm home now. Yes, I was aware of that after dropping you off. I love you so much, sweetie. Sweetie? Tina says hi. We're at the Aldi Garden, 2 for 1 Chardonnay. Drink some water, Mum. I'm so happy I decided to keep you. Me too. Are you in town? Nah, mate. I'm home now. Replying to himself. I have done that before. I'll let you pause to read this bit, but look at the bit below. Whoever you are, your friend is so drunk. I finished my shift at 1 o'clock and I'm taking him home. I think you should tell him to go to some sort of meeting. He's an alcoholic without a doubt. He's also dressed up as a wolf. He tried to be in a chow mein and he's trying to him. You need to talk to him. Oh. Jumanji. Jumanji. Danny DeVito. When someone asks what the capital of Russia is, Moscow. It's a Moscow. If you're not home in the next half an hour, it's over. What? Well, in that case. Well, in that case. William Pear. William Shakespeare. Hi, Dad. Weather is lovely over here. Spring is in the air. Mike Wachowski. It's Mike Wachowski. It's official. I finally found rock bottom. Friend, you laugh at the dumbest things. No, I don't. Bugatti. Bugatti. I've gone lightheaded. Hey guys, I'm going to the... You want anything? The what? I'm going to the... Yeah, cool. Thanks. Pigeons when you give them crumbs. Cool. 50 cents. $1. De Niro. CeeLo. Silhouette. Harrison Ford. Hair is off. Hair is on Ford. Hair is off. Reese with a spoon. Reese without a spoon. Ray. Blu-ray. Beyonce. Be twice. Be once. Be twice. Imagine if we pronounced all the letters in a word. Quad. Cushion. Curtain. Was hing McHine. Candle. Liaf. Fire plaque. Kettle. Sehwez. Star ears. Earring. What a bittle. Crystal. Critic. Da. Balala une. Kniffe. Kitken rotlala. Fridge. Fridge. Pahone. When you leave your son in the shop and forget about him, Oh no, my son! I have a pet termite. I named him Clint. Clint Eastwood. Simba was walking too slow, so I told him to move faster. This is wrong on so many levels. When you accidentally call 912, this is the police. Police! You speak to the police! So you guys have asked me for a makeup tutorial, so let's get to it. I start by doing this. And then I do this. And then I do this. Then I do this. And then I do this. And just keep doing this. And then I do this. Like this. And then I do this. And then I do this. And then I do this. Do this. And then I do this. Like this. and then I do then I do this. I do this. Do this. Then I do this. I do this. So you guys have been asking me to do a bedtime routine, so I thought I'd just show you. So I start by doing this. And then I do 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 this. And I do this. And then I do this. Then this. And then I do this. And then I do this. And then this. And then this. Hope you enjoy.